Hi there! In this video, we're going to show you how to generate a card PDF file for your card page. Here you are watching the demo. Now let's get started with us. Section 1. Install the plugin. On your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins, Add New Plugin. On the search bar, type WooCommerce PDF by addons.org. Then the plugin will show up. Click Install Now and activate the plugin. You can see it's already activated. Section 2. Create a card PDF template. After installing, navigate to PDF template. Here you can see the default template PDF for card PDF file. Click Edit button to redesign with your brand colors. Or click Add New Template to create a new one. Today we will edit based on the default version. First, head to Settings PDF to set up the overall settings. Change the font family. Adjust the font size. Specify the font color. Choose header and footer template. Change the padding. Save and have a preview. If you want to know how to create and add header and footer to the template, then you can click on the link below the video description. Delete this column. Insert the new one for the store name. Upload image. Change the size image. Change the padding to avoid overlapping header. Next, change the color of the divider. Adjust the height. Modify the padding. Change the text. Make it bold and bigger. For card total, we don't need to change anything. If you want to customize them, you can click on shortcodes to add or remove them. Or you can also click here to copy the shortcodes. Below that, we modify the contact information. So we've just completed editing the template. Save and have a preview. Now let's go to Section 3, Card Settings. Go to the card page. For classic version card, you have to go to WooCommerce settings, choose PDF invoices, edit card PDF. Here you need to enable this PDF, can change the label, choose the card PDF template. Click Show on Card page. Save and test the template. Get back to the card. Click Card PDF button and see the PDF file. Here you can see and for the block version card page, it does not have a button to create a PDF card. So you need to add it by clicking on the plus button, choose Card Download. Then click on it. You can change the text button and choose the card PDF template. Let's save and see. Here the button show up. The video ends here. Don't forget to follow us for more updates. Thank you so much and have a nice day.